What we're demoing today is a Cat 277B. This is like a lot of the other machines that we're offering right now. The machine's really low hour. I mean, it's exceptional. I'm going to take you all the way around it. It runs and drives like a dream. We're going to show you that too. There's your rollers, carrier bearing, front rollers. It's got a cat bucket on it. And this is the most wonderful thing this one's got. Well, two wonderful things. It's got the hydraulic, do it from the cab, push of a button, electric switch, removes the bucket, hook up to any attachment you want. I mean, it is one super feature. I've busted more than one knuckled on it. Taking you all over the machine. Tracks are in excellent shape. It's got the real aggressive pads on it. They're about 2 inches wide there. Stick my fingers in between there so you can see how deep they are. Engine. Let's see how clean this machine is. We got it all dusty from driving it around using it today, but a really dusty place here. Other side's in just as good a shape. Tell you what, this machine really screams. One powerful machine. We're going to show you what she does here.